Guys, I never saw your interest in the video about hatching an ostrich egg, but several people asked me to show the final video and I can't refuse them. So I went back to the ostrich farm. Hey, remember these two from the past video? They are completely independent now. They do not need to be looked after. They can find food themselves. And they still so cute. But recently they had to be fed. In a year they will look like this, frightening visitors with their weight. Okay, here the process of hatching, but with the help of a human. It takes 42 days to hatch an ostrich. This egg is already 43 days old, and the specialist understands that the baby ostrich needs help. So, watch carefully now. Do you hear that? Oh man. I'm sure she knows what to do, but I'm very excited. Oh my god. Just unbelievable. Now the ostrich will be put into the incubator, where it will finish the hatching by itself. And here are his brothers or sisters are already waiting for him. They appeared exactly in the same way. Oh, just look at them. Guys, despite the fact that this is a new type of video for me, I'm really like to see how a new life has appeared. If you also liked and interested, tell me in the comments. I know a huge zoo under the open sky nearby. I think I can show you some other animals. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.